So, hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is you versus all the 12 signs, current energies, current feelings towards you. Reading just for today, like just at this present moment, okay? No actions, no intentions, nothing. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is general, it might or might not resonate, even if it does 100%. It doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Just take the messages and as the guidance and just go fly. And whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start, Pisces. So your energies towards yourself right now at this present moment. Let's see what we have. तुमसे निगाहें चाह करने लगे. So we have the Empress. Okay, so you guys right now in this nurturing, taking care of yourself, your looks, your personality. Most importantly, you guys are right now in this energy of taking care of your emotional, physical, and mental health. For some of you, might be you guys are looking forward to have some kind of pregnancy or news of pregnancy, and you guys are looking forward to accept that or receive that. You guys know it already, but you guys might be preparing yourself for that in a very very beautiful and positive way. But for others of you, for most of you, you guys are looking forward to have a lot of growth and expansion and happiness, and creating a really really beautiful world for yourself in a very very positive way, emotionally, mentally, and physically, everything. Okay, good for you. If you're dealing with an Aries feels like Ace of Pentacles coming forward towards you with some kind of fresh offer. Even if you guys are together from a long time, this person feels like bringing some kind of freshness in the situation, coming forward towards you with some kind of offer that can lead to some kind of meaningful and long-term partnership kind of a deal in the coming future. Maybe not immediately. Okay, if you're dealing with the Taurus, we have the Nine of Wands. Their guards are up. They're feeling hurt. They are like a wounded warrior who is hurt, who is ready to fight with you anytime if you are going to give them any kind of tough time. But they're not giving up on the situation 100%. They are still invested and interested, but they're not opening up. They're hurt. So maybe they feel like giving it a last shot before they are going to completely disappear or completely disengage from the situation. So they are hurt, and that's why they are feeling like they should keep their guards up. That's a good idea to do. Okay, my shoulder hurts. Okay, so if you're dealing with a Gemini, we have the Devil. Gemini is kind of obsessed with you in a very very unhealthy way. They are feeling like very possessive, obsessive. They can't stop thinking about you in a lustful way. They somehow feel like you might be their property, or you might be, following their footsteps, and you should not go anywhere else, or you should not do anything else but be a part of their life. Okay, and this might be a person with whom, if you are going to give them the attention, if you are going to give them everything that they want, they might not even like it. So this is a very toxic, unhealthy, obsessive and possessive kind of energy from Gemini towards you. Not good. One of you might be already married or committed to somebody else, but still things are going in a very toxic way. Okay. If you're dealing with a Cancer, we have the King of Cups. Cancer have a lot of love for you. Lot of love for you. But this Cancer might be very mature, very grounded. They feel love, they feel content about the situation, but they're not expressing it. They're not saying it. They are just feeling it, and it's making them feel like very peaceful and happy from inside. Like, okay, I love Pisces, good, good for me. I'm never going to tell them, because why should I tell anything to anyone? It's my happiness, it's my emotions. What the fuck? Cool. So if you're dealing with the Leo, we have the Three of Pentacles. Leo feels like putting in the effort and energy as a teamwork. They feel like both of you should be equally interested and invested in the situation, so that things can work out in a very very practical and grounded way. They might be feeling like taking help from a third person so that you guys can heal the situation between you and them. And or even if a third person is involved in the energy, they feel like keeping things going between you and them. Take it how it resonates with you according to the situation. They are feeling like this situation can be worked out, but equal investment, equal interest is required from both the sides. in order for the situation to go somewhere and create something really beautiful and meaningful. If you're dealing with a Virgo, we have the King of Pentacles. Virgo see a strong potential here of stability, long-term partnership, and very, very strong relationship, stable, safe, and long-term relationship between you and them. They see you as somebody very mature, very practical, very grounded, and they feel like you guys can work things out together and you guys can make a really good couple, really stable, safe, and secure kind of a couple. Okay. If you're dealing with a Libra, we have the Four of Wands. Libra feel like getting married to you, getting settled with you. They are feeling like getting committed to you if you guys are not already, and if you guys are already committed or married, they feel like taking this situation to the next level. But they're super excited about the future ahead of you guys in this dynamic. So they are happy, they are feeling good, they are feeling like having commitment kind of energy, and they're looking forward to have a lot of fun with you, a lot of good times with you, in a beautiful, committed way. Cool. If you are dealing with a Scorpio, we have the Strength card. Scorpio is holding back. They're holding back this urge or desire to do anything with you or say anything to you. Maybe there's some kind of communication gap happening right now, or there's some kind of misunderstanding going on right now, or miscommunication. But this person is feeling right now it's a good idea to hold back this urge or desire to do or so any or say anything, because it might backfire and it might not land well. So that's why they feel like holding back, and like it's taking them a lot of strength and courage, by the way, to not to do anything or to not to say anything in this situation, but they feel like this is a good idea, at least for the time being. Okay. Now if you are dealing with Sagittarius, we have the Six of Wands. Sagittarius adores you. They feel like you are the center of attention of their own of their world in some way, and they're really inspired from you. They're really inspired by the way you are handling yourself, or you are handling your life. So they think very, very highly about you. They think like you might be the one for you, for them. You might be the one that can give them a successful and victorious kind of a relationship the way they wanted it from quite a long time now. But Sagittarius sees you in a very, very respectful, in a very, very inspiring, and a kind of adorable way. And they are looking forward to have a beautiful, successful, and victorious kind of a connection with you. Okay, that's really cool. Okay. Okay. If you are dealing with a Capricorn, we have the Seven of Wands. Capricorn is feeling like keeping themselves protected or keeping themselves away from the situation for the time being. They are feeling like creating boundaries, and or they are in the defensive mode right now, because maybe something happened, and now right now they're in the fighting mode. Like, okay, if Pisces is going to say something to me or they are going to act stupid, I'm going to show them who I am. So right now they are in the fighting or defensive kind of a mode, and or the vice versa is also possible. But they're feeling blocked in the situation. Somehow they feel like things are not moving forward and they need some space or time. If you're dealing with an Aquarius, we have the Seven of Cups. Aquarius might be having other options too, or they're keeping their options open. But there's a lot of confusion going on, emotional confusion going on between you and them. This person is feeling emotionally overwhelmed when this in this dynamics. Even if they're not having their options open or they're not dealing with other people, they're not able to figure it out whether you are the right person for them or not. There's a lot of emotional fog and emotional confusion going on, and they're going on in this dynamics, and they're trying to figure out whether it's a good idea to continue or they should just detach. If you are dealing with another Pisces, we have the Hanged Man. This Pisces is feeling like stuck on you, stuck in the situation. They're not able to move forward, they're not able to carry it forward. So they are in this middle of what should I do and what should I not do. So they are trying to just chill and relax and trying to see things from a different perspective, from every possible angle, keeping in mind your perspective also, your point of view, your energies also, so that they can make the right choice or right decision in this dynamic at the end of the day. So they are feeling stuck, but they are trying to figure it out from every possible angle, so that they are not going to end up doing something stupid, okay, or something horrible, whatever. So let me know in the comment section if you guys feel like keeping this situation, keeping these kind of readings going once or twice a month, so we can let it flow. Okay. If I'm going to get 100 plus likes, we will keep it going. So like and let me know in the comment section. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.